Hi everyone, today I've got another DIY craft tutorial for you all, and I'm going to be using a Poundland product. This is a candle holder, and I just knew I'm going to be using it for something crafty, and so I bought two of these. Now this is going to be a really quick and easy DIY, but it's also going to be really cute. The good thing about Poundland is that a lot of the items can be found in the US or Canada dollar stores, so I have seen a lot of candle holders that you can find for $1, so all of these kind of items I'm sure you guys can also find. So the next item I'm going to be using is a mirror. I bought this mirror from Hobbycraft and it was £2.50, so it is quite expensive. I did see the same size selling in Wilko for £2, so you can also get it there. Now this mirror has 3 little dots that keep it in place, so I'm not actually going to use a hot glue to stick it down here, because that way I can reuse these items. But if you want to, you can stick your glass down. So I'm just going to pop that there, and it sits nicely in the ridges, as you can see. Like, it's quite stable, it's not outside, so all of the sticky dots are inside and it just secures it in place. Now the next item I'm using is these egg nests from Poundland, and you get 6 in a pack. Now I'm going to pick out these eggs from these little nests. You have to be very careful when you're doing this, because obviously it takes the nest with it, so just be as careful as you can. So I'm going ahead and I'm taking some moss. This is reindeer moss, and it has little twigs in here, generally naturally like this, so it makes it a lot more realistic for a nest. I just like the neutral colours as opposed to, the eggs were making it a little bit too bright for me, so that's why I decided to remove them. But if bright things are your taste, then you can just leave them in there. So I'm adding a little bit of twigs just to, make it a little bit more natural. Now I'm taking an eggshell from the morning and just breaking it up really small so that it looks as if a little bird has just hatched. I'm taking these little cute chicks that I've got online from eBay, and it's actually from China, so you can find these on Wish. I will leave all of the details for all of the links in my website, which I will include in the description box and in the comment section. This is how they look. They're just so adorable. Now the alternatives that you do have are generally these kind of chicks that you find in Poundland, in the works and places like that. They're just a little bit too, too poor quality. They could make these so much better. I used to find them so cute when I was a child, but now that I've grown up, I'm just like, they look a little bit angry, don't they? So this is how the little nest looks. I decided to use just 2 chicks because 2 was just cuter. I'm going to just decorate the outside of where I'm going to place the nests here, and I'm starting off with using some curly moss from Hobbycrafts. So I've got a piece here, and I'm just taking some natural dried flowers, and I'm going to place some inside. I'm just kind of weaving it in really, just to add a little bit of, it's a little bit green, so just to break that up. I have made 2 nests, and 2 nests can fit in, but I've decided just to use 1 because it's a little bit too crowded for me to use 2, and I do want to decorate the outside, so it's a little bit too cramped to decorate outside and place 2 nests in. It's quite naturalistic, which is what I want, because I want it to mimic something wild and just found in nature. Making the nest, and I kind of want to fit it in so it's standing upright. Now I'm adding a little bit more to the side here. It's kind of like building a nest within a nest. Just to finalise, I'm taking a branch and placing it inside the jar. To secure the branches or the twigs in, I'm just going to add a little bit of hot glue and just stick it down. And I'm also adding in a little bit of greenery from some other things I picked up at the park. And again, I'm just going to be gluing it down with some hot glue like that. And then we just gently place it over the nest. So this is the finished DIY craft project, using the candle holder from Poundland and a mirror and a glass vase, 2 little cute chicks in the nest that we made out of moss and little egg shells, and the curled green moss with the dried flowers and the twigs that are decorated inside the vase. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this project or it's given you any inspiration, please give me a thumbs up and do let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. And if you're not a subscriber, I would love if you stuck around, so please do hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much. Bye.